Hey crafty friends, today I want to show you how I diamond dust my ornaments. Now I can keep these as ornaments or I can make napkin rings out of them. Either way, I just want to show you how I do it. I'm sure you can see the sparkle in each of these. So I've made another set and I'm going to show you quickly how that's done. I use 1 hour enamel. It's like a top coat, but you can use anything. You can use Mod Podge. You can use any kind of a top coat that you prefer. I use this diamond dust. It's extra fine. I get it at Hobby Lobby. All right, so here we go. I like to use a small brush so I can put it just where I want it. And on this particular one, I would like it to be just on the bow. There we go. And a little bit on the details here. It looks like a little tree branch. And there you go. Then I take the diamond dust and I just sprinkle it everywhere, but it's only going to stick where I put my top coat. Then I tap it off, and there you have it. I'm sure you can see it glistening. All right, I'm gonna do another one. This is another really pretty one. And so I just take it and I put my top coat. And again, you could use Mod Podge, anything you want. And this actually is a little ornament hanging on a branch. And I'm only putting the glitter on the parts that I want to glisten. Here we go. Diamond dust, make sure you put enough. Again, it's only gonna stick where you put the top coat. And I do save this. I will put it back in the bottle later. Look how beautiful that is. And let's do one more. On this particular one, I didn't do the whole thing again. I just did the areas that I wanted to glisten. Just around each of these edges. There you go. Add some more diamond dust. Shake it off. And there we have it. It's very easy to put this back. Oops, I see something I don't want to go back in there. If you have something like that, just get rid of it. And I fold my plate, tap it, and I now saved all the diamond dust that fell off. So this is going to be that. I'm going to be able to do the edges in my gold. I'll actually video that next. But there you have it. Just glistening so perfectly. Thanks for watching.